In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order history on Overstock. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Overstock website, which may also appear under Bed Bath & Beyond branding depending on the current site experience. Once the home page loads, look toward the upper area of the page for the Sign In option. Click that, then log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're signing into the same account you used when placing your orders, since your order history is tied specifically to that account. After you're signed in, the next step is to open your account area. Go to the upper right corner of the website and click My Account. This is where Overstock keeps your personal account tools, including purchases, returns, and other account-related information. Once the account menu opens, look for the section labeled Orders and Returns. On some versions of the site, this may appear as Order History instead, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. The destination is the same. It's the section where you can review your purchases. When you open that page, you'll see a list of your current and past orders. This gives you a quick overview of the items you've bought through your account. If you want more information about a specific purchase, click on the individual order. That will open the order details page where you can review important information related to that transaction. Inside the order details, you'll typically be able to see the order number, the items you purchased, the current order status, and any available tracking information. You may also see payment details and whether the order is eligible for a return. This can be especially helpful if you're checking on a shipment, confirming what was included in a purchase, or reviewing an older order before contacting customer support. If you don't immediately see the exact label mentioned in this tutorial, keep in mind that website layouts can change over time. In most cases, the order history section is still located inside the main account area, so the process remains very similar even if the menu names shift slightly. That's all it takes to view your order history on Overstock. Once you know where to look, it's a quick way to keep track of purchases, deliveries, and return options directly from your account.